Viper 40 Micro. The Viper 40 Spear UAV has developed this ultra-lightweight micro-tactical loitering munition, LM, specifically for small tactical units, think squad level and below. The Viper 40 boasts a precision strike capability against both moving and stationary targets, whether they're within line of sight or beyond it. Imagine a compact drone that fits into a combat vest, ready for immediate deployment in intense combat situations. It seamlessly integrates with existing military hardware, including grenade launchers like the M320. Once launched, the Viper 40 provides an advanced aerial viewpoint, ensuring clear line-of-sight targeting and diversion capabilities. Its extraordinary accuracy remains effective at impressive ranges of up to 1,000 meters, making it a game-changer on today's evolving battlefields. HISS HD Thermal Sniper Sight. The ThermoSight registered HISS HD, an advanced thermal sniper sight that's redefining precision shooting. The HISS HD is a cutting-edge rifle scope designed for snipers, capable of detecting and engaging man-sized targets at distances exceeding 2,200 meters. The HISS HD easily mounts on any MIL STD 1913 rail interface in front of an existing scope. No fuss, no hassle, just seamless integration. The high-definition display delivers exceptionally clear imagery. Imagine seeing details with remarkable clarity, enhancing your situational awareness and decision-making. Here's the mind-blowing part. The HISS HD lets snipers see their bullets in flight, even without tracers. It uses an imaging sensor cooled to very low temperatures, minimizing thermal noise and maximizing resolution. ELTA Air Defense Radars. ELTA's air defense radars provide early warning, detection, and tracking capabilities. Available in multiple bands and sizes, these systems serve various missions, including fire control, surveillance, and counter-rocket, artillery, and mortar, SRAM operations. ELTA offers both active and passive radar options, effectively defending against a broad range of threats. Notably, their compact multi-mission radar, equipped with advanced 3D active electronically steered array (AESA) antenna technology, can be transported on a single vehicle for maneuvering forces. It locates hostile weapon locations, calculates point of impact (POI), point of origin (POO), and provides friendly fire ranging in real time. VBAT Drone. The VBAT Drone. Developed by Shield AI, the VBAT, also known as MQ-35A, is a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) reconnaissance unmanned aerial vehicle. What sets it apart? Well, it's the most tactical and logistically simple UAS out there. In head-to-head customer fly-offs, the VBAT consistently wins. The US and allied militaries choose it because it delivers results. Thanks to its patented duck fan design, the VBAT achieves an industry-leading max takeoff weight to payload weight ratio. It can fly for up to half a day or hover for hours, all while maintaining rock-solid stability. With no exposed rotors and no required operator safety zones, the VBAT is incredibly safe. You can even get hands-on during takeoff and landing. It's a tactical asset with strategic implications. Convair Model 49. The Convair Model 49 was an audacious proposal for a transforming, heavily armed fire support aircraft designed for the U.S. Army. Imagine a hybrid that combined elements of an airplane, tank, and helicopter. Its mission? To provide versatile, rugged support in combat zones. The Model 49 could take off and land vertically, thanks to shrouded turbine jets acting as lift and propulsion. Once airborne, it transformed into a more traditional jet configuration. But what truly set it apart was its firepower. Modular armaments included machine guns, grenade launchers, rockets, and cannons. Despite its innovative design, the Convair Model 49 never made it into production, losing out to other contenders. Still, it remains a captivating chapter in aviation history. NH90 Sea. The NH90 is a medium-sized, twin-engine, multi-role helicopter developed by NH Industries, a collaborative effort involving Airbus Helicopters, Leonardo, and Fokker Aerostructures. It holds the distinction of being the first production helicopter with entirely fly-by-wire flight controls. Used by armies for transporting cargo, personnel, medevac, and special operations. The naval version capable of landing on ships, employed for sea rescue and submarine warfare. Each customer tailors their NH90 fleet with specific weapons, sensors, and cabin arrangements. Naval search and rescue, anti-submarine warfare, ASW, troop transport, disaster relief, and medical evacuation. Despite advanced features, there have been complaints about delivery delays, high maintenance, software issues, and durability. The NH90 has logged over 327,000 flight hours across 13 countries, proving its versatility and adaptability. Ohio Ordnance. Ohio Ordnance Works is a licensed Class 3 manufacturer of destructive devices. Their journey began by producing parts needed for the repair and rebuild of commercially owned Class 3 firearms in the United States. Over time, they evolved into a world-class manufacturer of light, medium, and heavy machine guns, competing globally with much larger manufacturers. Internationally, Ohio Ordnance builds belt-fed machine guns for militaries across the globe, including contracts for the U.S. military. You might recognize some of their domestic platforms like the BAR, HCAR, and semi-auto belt-fed systems like the M249 and M240. In 1981, Ohio Ordnance Works transitioned from part-time business to full-time operations. During the years 1981 to 1990, they primarily engaged in buying and selling military firearms, parts, and accessories in the commercial market. Trophy System. The Trophy System is a military armored vehicle active protection system, APS, designed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. Its primary purpose is to supplement the armor of light and heavy armored fighting vehicles. The system is actively used on Rakava Mark III and IV and Namur APCs, as well as U.S. Abrams M101/2 tanks. It enhances vehicle survivability by protecting against a wide variety of anti-tank threats, while also providing better enemy location identification to crews. The system relies on radar technology and launches small explosive projectiles to intercept incoming threats. InVeris FATS 100 MIL. The InVeris FATS 100 MIL is a cutting-edge virtual training system designed for military and law enforcement personnel. The FATS 100 MIL leverages an advanced game engine to create realistic training scenarios. Trainees experience visually realistic terrains and targets, enhancing their marksmanship skills. The system provides automatic feedback and coaching to improve trainee performance. The FATS 100 MIL's immersive environment allows instructors and trainees to analyze shot placement, engage in after-action reviews, and adjust training conditions, example, wind speed, elevation. It's a major leap forward in virtual weapons training. Vision 60 GQV. The Vision 60 registered QUGV registered. Developed by Ghost Robotics, this mid-sized, high-endurance ground drone is designed for use in a wide range of unstructured urban and natural environments. Whether it's defense, homeland security, or enterprise applications, the Vision 60 excels. Its agility, durability, and all-weather capabilities make it indispensable. With a weight of 51 kilograms, IP67 ingress protection, and a top speed of 3 meters per second, it's a versatile asset. Plus, it can carry a payload of up to 10 kilograms and travel up to 10 kilometers on a single charge. The goal? Keeping our warfighters, workers, and K9s out of harm's way.